Dahan-dahan lang kitang aawitan sinta ko sa pagsapit ng dilim na tayo'y magkapili o sa himig.
From the very first moment we met, I knew my life would be forever changed. As I look back on all the beautiful memories we've shared and the way you always make every day better and brighter. You have been my #1 supporter and cheerleader. And I admire the unwavering love and strength you show me each and every day.
Di aalay ang lahat sa lalim ng gabi.
Marriage is a vocation in as much as it is a response to a specific call to experience conjugal love. The decision to marry and to have a family ought to be the fruit of a process of vocational discernment. Siguro pinag-isipan ba nindo inindua na magpakasal ka mo? Bako man lang ining maradalian lang. Ano?
Sa hangganan na ba ang itutungo nito?
Love, happy anniversary. Who would have thought that today I would be standing in front of you, surrounded by our family and loved ones. Words are not enough to explain kung gaano mo ako napapasaya. From the moment I met you, alam kong ikaw ang magbabago ng buhay ko.
Ng gabi.
I will celebrate your victories and always stand by your side, especially during the most difficult times. At sa pagpasok natin sa bagong yugto, I promise to love you more than I do today. Because our journey is now leading us to build a family of 3. No matter where life takes us, I'm honored to be your partner, and I look forward to spending the rest of my life with you. Your Mrs. Asibor.
I promise to cherish and honor you. I promise to support you through every challenge and triumph with the same love and devotion you have shown me. I will always lift you up, encourage you, and to stand by your side in all things. Lalong-lalo na sa mga pangarap mo. Yawan ako para ibanan ka.
Aalay ang buong buhay sa lalim ng gabi.
Happy anniversary, love. I thought these shoes would be the perfect gift to match our journey. One full of adventure, love, and new steps together. Galingan mo palagi. I love you always. Love, Clown. Kaya palan makulog ang bitis ko ay. Thank you sa sapatos. Thank you sa suporta permi. I love you. I miss you. See you.
Thought you'd be laying right here next to me. Who'd have thought you'd love somebody like me? It's always been you.
Hi, love. Sana magustuhan mo regalo ko. Ang purpose kung taano ni regalo ko ni para pag abot ni baby, may bago kang susulot nun paglayas nindo. By the way, salamat sa pinakamilyonaryo tang ate sa dakulang discount, Ate Pulay. Talagang mayaman ko ate. Thank you, love.
Before the skies are turned a different shade of blue. As the seasons change, my love remains forever. Even in the moments that we ain't together. 'Cause with your hand in mine, I find my peace of mind. It's always been you.
Abia Guzman. Aram mo na yan.
Araw mo, di ko araw.
Ha? Love your partner.
Yes, Father.
Before I knew. The skies have turned a different shade of blue.
As we begin this incredible journey with our baby, I make a vow to not only love and care for you, but to be the best partner and the father I can be. You are my home, my heart, and my forever love. I love you, Mommy.
So, Jolart, you may now kiss your wife. Jolart, 5 seconds. Teka maghali sa lips niya. 5 seconds, ha? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grabe.
The skies have turned a different shade